Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to split screen on macOS. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. Now the split screen feature is already built in a macOS, and what you need to do, for example, if I have this document and I want to split screen here on my MacBook, what do I need to do? I have to go here and then there's this option, the window to left of screen, tile window, sorry, to left of screen, and I'm going to click it. So you see it has adjusted this document on the left side. Now if I want to add another application, let me just do it. I'm going to open up Resolve. For example, I have opened this. It's going to take some time to open. Yes, I have this opened up and I have this opened up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, tile window to the left of the screen. And here I can add another application that I want to. Here you go. This is on my right, and on my left, I want to add up another work that I'm doing. So I'm going to click here. So you see now both of these are on my screen, but my screen is being used as a split screen. That means I can read this while I work on this. We can also adjust the ratio between the two as per our liking. Here you go. Now, if we want to open something else, for example, if I want to open App Store, so now you can see that this is opened up in another window. And if we want to go back to where we were in the split screen mode, what we're going to do, we're going to swipe the trackpad with our 3 fingers to upwards. And when we do it, just give me a second. Yes, here you go. It's going to give us that screen back that we were using. So here we go. We're back. And we can also add new screens. And for example, if we want more than one split screen, then we can, add another split screen right here. So this is the feature that the macOS gives us to use the split screen feature. So that was it for today. I hope this video was helpful. In the end, I would say that this feature is not so good. It's not very comfortable, and I would recommend that you buy a premium application that lets you split screen like in Windows. So that's my advice, because this feature, although this is good, I'm not saying this is not functional. You can work here, but if I talk personally, I didn't like it that much. If I want to split more than one screens, I can't do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.